La la, me 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 me. DIY. Give it a try. Let's find out what we can make today.
Leave the singing to the professionals.
Hi, lifestylers. It's me, Chikara, coming to you with a CCDIY. This is just a bedroom tour of the things that I actually made. So, first, we have a DIY table that I have. So, my friend gave me the window itself. I happen to have had it for quite a bit of time and finally decided to put some paint cans underneath it. So now I have a table for all my little knick-knacky things. So next what we have is what I'm calling a found arts name sign. If you all can come up with a better title for that, you all can go ahead and just put it in the comments below. So this is when I use items that I had around my house to create a name for my door. Also, so I used some styrofoam that I had along with some cardboard, and then just various items that I had around the house, like crayons. I had some beads. I had a necklace that was kind of broken. In that upper corner right there, there's an ink card that I made from the Maker's Lab, and also the black pages that you see are there are from scratch paper that was also part of a class that I did. On one of them, I basically just did a simple drawing. So on this part right here, we can see that I use beads, and then I use little rings, and then there's a toothpick. So now I have crayons together. And then I was just playing on that scratch paper. I was just playing around to see how different shapes would look once I scratched them. And also there are words on here that I will use to describe me. This is an acrostic poem where each letter has a word next to it. I used it for a creative introduction a for open books. So it really helped me get the job. I really enjoy doing it. It's free, it's easy, you just make it around with things that you have around in your home. So I'll let you all get a look at it so you can learn some facts about me, give you all some different ideas about how to do it. So there's hooks right there. Those hooks help make that styrofoam stable. And then on the paper, it's a special kind of paper. You can probably already tell what kind of paper it is. But there's more because I plan on doing a project for this, a video about this to actually show you all how I did it. So this is a upscale jewelry holder that I did make a video for. This is very simple. I needed a way to hang all of my earrings on there. Also, you can see there's some thumbnails on there. This bracelet I made using a 3D printer. That is a leather strap around it, and it also has some jewels that I found around my house, and I just glued it on there with some E6000. So it's a great place to put around your bracelets. Next, we have a Jesse Williams quote. This was um, made using a laser cutter. This quote has stayed with me for a while just because we're magic doesn't mean we're not real. And I just wanted to pay tribute to Jesse Williams's brilliance, along with reminding myself that I can do all these incredible things, but I have to be honest with myself about who I am and what I'm about. So that's more of an engraved feature. So next we have using the vinyl cutter, created a flag to tell the story of John Baptiste DuSable. He is the founder of Chicago. That is his background, along with the 4 stars that I represented in the Chicago flag, waving proud, waving proud. And so with that, I used skewers and I glued that up there, and then I used some ribbon just to twirl it around and around. So the plaque with Jesse Williams, I believe this is called engraved. Thank you for coming along with me on this CCDIY tour. I look forward to showing you all how I made these things in future videos in the CCDIY series. Again, thank you. So here's the YouTuber spiel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to making with you in future videos. And Black Making Matters.